SHS. The anole population in Florida is on the rise. South Florida is home to a number of reptile species, many of those who thrive in the subtropical climate. Anoles are Florida's most common lizard, with over 7 species being found here: the green anole, the crested anole, the brown anole, the night anole, and the giant anole. Unfortunately, only one of these species is native to Florida, the green anole, which is becoming increasingly scarce as it faces competition from invasive species. The rest of these anole species, with the Cuban brown anole, the most prolific, were all introduced to Florida, having originated from the Caribbean. In order to better understand the impact of so many non-native anole species living in the same area, the Lizards on the Loose project was established. This study intends to record the relative abundance of anole species and determine the extent of their territories throughout South Florida. This research could help scientists understand the interaction between non-native species that typically fill the same ecological niche, as well as provide a springboard for future research on anoles in and out of Florida.
Thank you for having me on the show today. Now, us scientists are working hard to cooperate and track these anole invaders and survey the abundance of anoles in particular spots. These spots can range from tall trees, shrubs, and open areas with no trees or shrubs. As we conduct our research, we will use 15-minute survey times to analyze any of these areas. During the 15 minutes, we search for any of these species and record the data of the type of anole that is in the area, the current weather pattern, and a description of the area it should be recorded. This data will be used to discover all sorts of anoles or of valuable information on these anoles and their impact on the Florida ecology.
Here we have the brown anole. It's one of several anole species in South Florida and are more common than any other type of anole. These anoles can be identified by their brown coloration and black marking behind the eyes.
This Cuban brown anole here has found his way to an urban settlement. He will be facing a totally different environment and might even be physically affected by his new condition.
We have the night anole, which can be differentiated from the green anole by a paler dewlap, which can range in color from white to a pale pink. This is the green anole, which is Florida's only native anole species.
Anoles are not the only species of importance in South Florida. The migration of birds is also something scientists have been looking into here in the Sunshine State.
Migratory birds are an important part of Florida's ecosystem. A local study aims to record the concentration of bird species in a given area and habitat. The study means to determine the types and quantities of birds that can be found in shrubs and large trees, respectively.
The study is split up between shrubs and trees, but the protocol to collecting data is split up into sessions of 10 minutes. The scientists will record the type of bird that flies over the area and the current weather conditions. We may spot and record the data of birds who chooses to fly over the trees, in which we have marked as our area.
This experiment is repeated in the second location, this time in an area with shrubs rather than trees. This variation allows for a potentially larger range of species to be recorded, as some may prefer different foliage.
These studies on South Florida's wildlife can help scientists form a better picture of the state of Florida's ecosystems. By aiding in this research, population counts and interactions between species can be recorded and help serve as platforms for further scientific inquiry. I am Anaya Samuels,
I'm Jose Quintero,
and thank you for tuning into our broadcast.